Alright guys, welcome back to a video. I'm going to be installing this Remark catback, well it's front pipe back exhaust. This is the burnt tip for the sport hatch. Still taking pre-orders on these, about a month out or so, depending on when Remark get them done. Exhaust looks beautiful. Shouldn't be too much work, considering we already have the stock exhaust off the car, which we have tons of videos of with it just dumped. But let's get into the install. We'll show you guys how to do it and how it sounds. All right guys, it comes with these simple instructions here. Just make sure to read over. You got the gaskets, hardware. I think this will probably take maybe an hour at best. Obviously I have the exhaust off, so it's super easy. All right guys, so we're on to the tail section of the exhaust. I'll show you how everything bolts together once it's all up, done and up in the air, but you've got 3 screws and 2 little clips that go into the bumper. This is gonna be your reference. One clip goes in there, one goes in there. You've got a couple of these clips holding on. And then you've got a screw in there and some screws over here. And then you're just gonna kind of give it a nice little tug and it'll actually come out, because it is clipped in a couple places onto the actual bumper. And that's what we're left with. All right guys, everything's up. Took me 50 minutes, I would say, probably. You got 2 here. You got the 2 there, and you got 2 in the center section with a resonator, and then you've got 3 onto the front pipe. So yeah, let's put her down. I'll show you the exhaust, how the tips look. And we'll start her up. All right, so you can see fit pretty good. Plenty of room so the plastic isn't going to melt. So let's start her up and see how it sounds. All right guys, you can see the finish out in the sun. Here this exhaust pops. We also have stainless steel coming in. But I love the burnt tips, especially with our purple and Axion green package. It looks fantastic. So let's hear her start up. That's it for the Remark install. Pre-order on our site, www.axionindy.com. Support those that support you.